This is the Paperfuge. The Paperfuge is an ultra-low-cost centrifuge which can be used to diagnose illnesses such as HIV and malaria by separating blood. It was invented by a team of researchers who wanted to give remote communities access to technology needed to diagnose deadly diseases without the high price tag associated with a typical centrifuge.
Crush some chalk and add a small amount to 2 centrifuge tubes. Top up each tube with water and add water to 2 more centrifuge tubes. Tape the tubes securely to the centrifuge. Tape them to the rectangles marked tube. This ensures that the centrifuge is balanced. The centrifuge must be properly balanced for it to spin. To use the centrifuge, first start by spinning it around a few times to wind up the string. Once the string is wound up, pull apart with your hands. This will cause the centrifuge to start spinning. The centrifuge is spinning fast enough to separate the suspension when you can hear it spinning. At this point you can see that the suspension has started to separate. To increase the separation, spin the centrifuge for longer. You can see that the separation has increased with a longer spinning time. Here is the suspension before and after spinning.